Hello everyone, I'm Alex from Pride Audio USA. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Pride Solo 200. I have the speaker right over here. We're going to unbox it. As you see, there's two speakers inside here. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and give it a opening. Now I want to let everyone know that we packaged this so securely that, we want to make sure that during shipping and transportation, the speaker is going to be okay. So let's take it out of the, as you see, it's a beautiful speaker. It's got some good weight to it. Let's get one thing clear here. This speaker is not a factory replacement. In fact, the entire Solo series, they are not factory replacement speakers or SQ speakers. These are specifically for people who want a really loud sound with no compromises. We're going to actually show you over here. We have a factory speaker set up already, and then we also have the Pride Solo 200, and we're going to give you a little example, and you be the judge. Okay, everyone, now we're going to actually break down the speaker itself there. One thing I do want to show you first is right here it says Solo 200, and this speaker actually has 200 watts RMS, so that's how you know that this is the Solo 200. And it also gives you a recommendation of HPF at 160 hertz. Now you can, when it comes to the high pass filter, you need to have that set up either in your radio or your amplifier. We have it on the radio right now, and we're going to show you the difference between a mid-bass factory speaker to our high-efficiency loud speaker. So let's go ahead and go over the speaker here. Now I want to actually go over something. This is not a comparison between this speaker and this speaker. Really, there is no comparison. This is factory. This is something completely different. What we're trying to show you here is the difference between the character of this speaker to this, the loudness, the actual clarity of the speakers themselves. Now, if you would like for us to do a comparison with this speaker and any other speaker on the market, drop a comment down below and we'd love to hear from it. Now we're going to break down the actual construction of the speaker itself here. One of the things I want to show you is it does have a larger basket, which is going to give you more surface area, means more air movement, and more air movement means more higher output. This is just basic physics. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the speaker itself here. This is what we call the over modular system. The entire assembly can be replaced. And one of the things to note is that it's not glued here. This has actually been screwed. So it's easily removable, and the hardest part about this engineering, it still remains to have the highest efficiency with being removable. So now let's show you how to actually change this over modular system here. First, we're going to start with unscrewing the 4 bolts here. Okay, now once the screws have been taken off, we can actually remove this basket here, the over modular system. Do not touch the coil with your fingers. The grease is not good for the coils. And once this has been removed, you are then going to, what I recommend, take a little piece of paper, bring it in here between, make sure that it's nice and, moving around, clean. This way there's no obstructions. Then you're going to take your fan, give it a good cleaning, and then you can go ahead and do everything, put everything back together. If you're still watching and you made it this far, we've got something for you. We dropped a special promo code down below just for our viewers. Use it at our online store and enter the code at checkout. This is our checkout. You enter the code right here, apply coupon, and unlock your bonus or discount. See you at our website, pride.audio.